In today's tutorial, I'm going to be demonstrating a chin wax, and the client we are working on has experienced some rapid weight loss, and they are a mature client. So with this, we have a loss of elasticity in the skin. It's just emphasizing the importance of the stretch before and on removal of your wax patch. Let me demonstrate. All right, so we're just having a look today at one of our ladies who is having a chin and neck area for hair removal. So you can see that this is terminal hair that hasn't got any color in it anymore. So it's quite easy and good for us to see the direction. But what we're really looking at today is the loss of elasticity in the skin. So really highlighting the importance of stretching and keeping the skin taut for the application and removal of the waxes. So we're just doing our preparation with the Outback Organics Gel Cleanser. So just using the opposite hand to support the skin so you're not creating any drag. And just having a look while you're doing your prep at the direction of hair growth. So generally on the outer chin area, they will grow downwards, sort of out and down. So that's on both sides. And then the neck hair generally will grow down, but just having a look for any that are on the lower neck that tend to like to sweep and grow upwards. We're now going to do the botanical oil. Whenever you're doing botanical oil on the face, just put the botanical oil directly onto a dry cotton pad. So I've already got the oil on the pad, and then I can just dust over the area and tissue the excess off. Making sure that all the residual oil is gone. Again, just being gentle and careful that we're not creating any drag on the skin. That's our preparation. Okay, so unlike the upper lip, I like to work with a body spatula for the chin area, and I'm just going to follow the directions. So the key thing here is I've got a two-way stretch, making sure that I keep the skin as taut and flat. And the other key thing is we're just going to work in small patches so that we can keep control of keeping that skin taut for the whole application and removal. So just making sure that skin can't drag. And then I can come back to our first patch, lift the edge, and just keep the stretch as close to the patch all the way up. So we're going to tweeze, move the stretch up, tweeze, move the stretch up, so that there's no pulling on the skin area, and we've managed to get the hairs out. So see how there's a lot of movement in the skin here? We just want to make sure we pin that down. So we'll just work our way across the neck area. And just keeping that stretch as close as possible. So with skin that's losing elasticity, so this high coloring will come up. So there is a sensitivity in the skin because the skin's barrier is very reduced. So this is a normal reaction, and it's quite okay. We're going to finish the treatment with aloe gel to take that down a little bit. Just moving around the neck a little bit more now. Two-way stretch. Just be careful with your pressure along here for your stretch. So we're stretching the skin, we're not aiming to press. Working our way onto the other side, you can see the direction. And if you're coming to the end of your patches, you can always speed set with a wet cotton pad, and that will enable you to take off the patch straight away. Just a couple of hairs left that we'll go back over. Just because they're a bit shorter, I'm going to go backwards and then I'm going to take them back down again. Because I want to pull the hair out in the natural direction that it sits within the follicle. Beautiful. So, just got a couple there that I can get with the tweeze. I'm just going to get these couple at the side of the neck there. So just looking at the elasticity in the skin, we're just making sure that I keep that skin fully protected with a stretch. And we're going to cleanse the entire area. And finish with a lovely, generous application of the Outback Organics aloe gel. And that will take down that slightly higher colour within a matter of minutes.